Hey, you, I'm gonna piss off every Italian with this pizza, all right? Because I love to piss off Italians. I'm an unconventional Italian. Io non sono mai stato italiano al 100%, anche se sono nato in Italia.
Tell you, I'm going to do a pizza.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do my favorite pizza, okay?
Yeah.
What's it? The quattro. You know, the 4 cheese one.
The four
You know?
cheeses.
4 cheeses.
Okay,
Okay.
beautiful.
Except we're Chinese. We like the number 8. So I need eight types of cheese.
8 types of cheese?
I need 8
All
types
right.
of cheese. I don't see 8 types of cheese. What sauce will we use?
Well, we got tomato sauce right
Got
there.
some tomato sauce. Okay, let's put
Yeah.
the tomato sauce in.
Perfect.
I've seen this on television.
That's
how
very
you
good,
know.
yeah.
I've seen this on television. Here's
Nice
the one.
strips.
Here's one. Here's one.
That is stracciatella.
Stracciatella.
Stracciatella, yeah, the most famous cheese in the world right now at the moment.
So what do we got? Oh, this is my favorite.
Yeah, the fior di latte.
Yeah, that's my favorite. Okay.
Very sharp, very sharp.
Very, very sharp. So, got my hand.
Yeah. Oh, you can break it by hand anyway.
Oh,
so.
I break it by hand. Everything in China, okay, handmade. Labor is cheap, so everything's handmade. What do we got here? 1,
anymore.
2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
6. I need 2 more cheese.
Yeah, I don't
Where's
have
the
2 more
cottage
cheese.
cheese? Look at this, man. You got some of my finger. You got some of my skin in there now.
Ready to bake?
Yeah, don't waste these. Don't waste
No.
these.
Yeah, put them
on.
on.
Yeah, put them on. Okay.
Put them on, put them on.
All right.
I'm gonna make a pizza in your honor.
You got some blueberries?
No. I'm gonna honor your Cantonese background and I'm gonna make you a pizza with roasted duck. I am a fanatic over that roasted duck. I buy it all the time and it drives me nuts.
Well, you know.
It's so good. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little fontina. I know
Okay.
maybe duck and cheese, but you know, it
All
doesn't
right.
matter to me.
Okay.
I'm gonna freak out all of the Italians that are gonna watch TikTok.
Why?
You know, because I like to freak out Italians. I'm
You're
an
gonna freak
anti-
out- you're gonna freak out all the Chinese too.
Buddy, I'm an anti-conformist, okay? That's what I am, first and foremost. Grilled
Look at
Napa.
it. You got all these secret ingredients in there. You didn't show me. This is not
Well,
fair.
I
you
was
know?
afraid you might have used them. So I have duck over here.
Yes.
And I'm gonna just shred it out.
Yeah, let me help you. Let me help you.
Sure,
Let me
just
help
put a
you.
little
Put
pieces
yeah,
here
yeah,
and there.
Yeah, let me.
I want the skin
You know
to
when you
be
treat that-
whole
oh, you want
piece.
whole
though.
pieces?
Yeah, yeah.
Like that. Wow.
Whole pieces of skin. The skin
Like
is
that.
the best
Okay,
part.
So
Like that,
this is
yeah.
right, okay.
Now we're gonna put a little bit of mushroom because mushrooms are always very good.
Well,
I'm
you know,
gonna
every
throw-
topping is $15 here, right?
Yeah, basically, we are very inexpensive.
Hoisin.
Yeah, baby.
Hoisin.
Wait,
Oh, you know,
am I getting there?
you know what you need? You need a bit of garlic. Usually duck, a little bit of garlic.
I show
Let me
you.
get roasted
A
garlic.
little
Give me
bit of sesame.
Give me some roasted garlic.
I don't have roasted garlic, but you know what? I'm gonna do some garlic oil. And now we go in.
All right. Hey, let me open the door. This is a joint Italian Cantonese effort, right?
That's right.
Right.
Boom.
How many pieces do you think?
You
I'm
happy
gonna-
with that?
That looks actually a lot
That looks
better
like a
than
happy
mine.
pizza if
That
I
looks
see
a
one.
lot better than I thought. Fresh basil.
Yep.
Give me
A
some
little
of
bit is
this.
right in.
Probably a bit too much dressing, but
It's okay.
who cares?
My pizza is ready too.
Okay.
Squeeze me. How about that? Huh?
I gotta finish this off the Chinese way. Give me my jacket.
It says Master Chef.
Yeah. That's my jacket.
Are we
right?
playing loose with that term here or what?
Right. You know the secret ingredient for any Chinese pizza.
Woo, that's a Chinese pizza if ever I've seen one. Woof, woof, woof.
Now, this is the amount of money I like to see. I want to see a lot of money on the pizza. Orders.
Give me a couple of
Give me a couple
quarters.
quarters.
Mannaggia America. Hey, thank God we can wash the money, huh?
Yeah.
It's a new
A
meaning
lot
to
of money
money
is being
laundering.
washed here, I can tell you. Okay, I printed those yesterday.
Let's go outside.
All right.
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this is my Cantonese roasted duck or barbecue duck pizza with hoisin sauce, with cabbage. Oh, that's amazing, man.
This one is called Raising Money for Epilepsy. This is my pizza, Raising Money for Epilepsy.
You can tell it works in Hong Kong here, huh? Ready, I'm here to cut the pizza for you so that we can all taste it. Go ahead, right there. Wow, it's like Wolfgang Puck did this.
It's exactly, you know, it's interesting that you say that because that's the one person that I would say could possibly have done something similar. Wolfgang was wonderful for creating flavor out of deep and rich
That's
things.
right.
adding sweetness that it doesn't get in the way and producing. He doesn't want to produce something that's candied. He wants to produce
That's
something
right.
sweet without being offensive or overlacing. I absolutely love that. I love that. I think that is him. Chloe, what's your?
Took the words right out of my mouth. First time having duck.
First time having duck?
First time having duck.
Oh my God.
I know.
That's why we got all these birds flying about everywhere in Canada.
All right.
You guys gotta eat more of them.
Massimo did this in honor of me. Okay, not Wolfgang Puck. You know, who's the chef? You're a genius. You're a genius.
Is that
you know?
okay? Yeah.
I would tell you, Peking duck, you usually wrap it in a pancake, right?
Yeah,
And
I
this
took
is
all
like
the flavors, yeah.
wow, everything together.
Yeah.
I mean, I want to copy this,
Do it.
and I'm gonna make $1 billion. Yes.
The second pizza that we'll be looking at right here is this one right here. If you look carefully at it, and there's sometimes you have to say, well, we can do it our way, or we can do it the way that it was intended based on the presentation. And I do not want to cut this. I'll tell you why, because I think it destroys what is inherently what this competition is about. To a 4-cheese pizza that understands what fundraising is all about. And so I declare right now my vote for this pizza, and you?
Okay, yeah, I did this. I did this, man.
yeah.
Oh. Well, wait, I tell you, you know.
no.
Okay, let me say one thing.
I don't have that kind of money. I'm not from Hong Kong.
When Massimo told me to go first, but I'm from Hong Kong. I don't know what a pizza is. I didn't know you eat it. I thought it was just something you make to stick money on. I mean, you copy our pasta. I thought you were going to show me, something to stick money on. So,
That's it.
And for epilepsy, I think it's very, very important.
Absolutely.
That this is going to be my first donation. Okay, and I hope everybody does
Wonderful.
this tomorrow. And who's going to hold the money?
Yeah.
All right, because we don't want to waste anything. So this is my first donation. I'll let you hold the money.
I'm very honored to lose this battle because that's very good.
But put the money where your mouth is. Oh man, come on. All right.
Yeah, here.
Good deal. All right.
Write them out.
I need to take a cab home, okay? I need cab fare.
Hey guys, I'm here with Alvin from MasterChef Canada. I mean, this guy is amazing. And he's from Hong Kong and he flew in for Epilepsy South Central Ontario. I'm not caring about competition, you know that. But, I cook decent food no matter what.
Trash talk. I talk it, he cooks it.
You won just now. So.
Talking, he cooks it.
He's a teddy bear. Look at this. Look at this. Look, he's a teddy. He's not me. Look at this. I'm me.
Come on.
This is me. This is teddy bear, okay?
Yeah, baby.